This video will be demonstrating assignment 2.1 to 2.7 for showing all the sensors. So now I'm going to be uploading it, and I'll now be starting a new serial. And here's the reading for the humidity. Here's the temperature. So let me put my finger on the temperature sensor to make it go hotter. As you can tell, it went from 79 to 82, 84, 83. Let me take my thumb off again. And now it's going to go back down slowly but surely. And the next thing I'll demonstrate is the accelerometer. So I'm going to have it up this way, so or like this. So now the Z. So Z-axis will be 1. Z-axis is 1 while the other ones are close to 0. Now I'm going to put on its side. So now the X-axis is 1 while the other ones are close to 0. And lastly, I'm going to put on the last side. So now it's going to be, Y should be 1. As you can see, Y is now 1. And Z and X are close to 0. So that shows the accelerometer right there. The next thing we have is the mic. Unfortunately, I could not get the mic to work no matter how I would switch it around. So as you can see, I tap on the mic, nothing happens. And I promise if I switch it around and I tap it again, it still reads 0, so I have no idea why. So now let me plug in the speaker so it doesn't, so now it will make some noise. So as you can see, different values of the potentiometer will have it sound different. So now this is all the way low, so you can kind of hear a duller noise. So now I'm going to turn it up, and as you can see, the pot value is close to 1,000, while so now I'm going to turn it back down. So the mic kind of works, but it doesn't work exactly. It's reading a lot of zeros. I think it's more or less me tapping the breadboard that gives the mic values, so I don't think those are real values. But as you can see, the potentiometer does change, so let me turn it down to 0. So now let me demonstrate the distance. So as you can tell, me to unplug the speaker. So now let me demonstrate the distance. So my finger is going to be right here. As you can see, it says about 8 centimeters. Oh, there we go. My finger was not all the way. So 4 centimeters. So let me move it back further now. And as you can tell, as I move it back further, it will increase in distance. So it's about, yep, there we go, 30. That's more likely. But as you can tell, when I move my hand, the sensor does change with the ultrasonic. This is my hand being really close, so really close messes it up, and keep going further and further and further and further away. So that's demonstrating all of them. Like I said, I have no idea why the speaker doesn't, or the mic doesn't really work that well, but oh, now it's working. Now it's working. So this is demonstrating, I don't know, the mic just started working. That's really funny. So this is actually now all of the sensors now are working, and that will be concluding the end of my demonstration. Thank you very much.